existing customers and new customers have come, and there was a clear focus on the technology.
It's a fantastic platform for us to showcase what we can offer to Indian industry.
The first time we are participating in the forming show, and the visitors quality as well as the number is much better than we normally expect.
2020 has been great. We've had great footfall.